All right, I got a 2017 Polaris RZR4, the RZR, and my fuel pump went out. So I went ahead and ordered a fuel pump from Quantum Fuel Systems, and I'm going to go ahead and get this installed. First thing I need to do is take the back seat out. So since I have these seat belt harnesses, I went ahead and loosen them up. The fuel pump is actually under this back seat here, right back there. So I'm going to go ahead and take it out. But first I got to take all these seat belts off and shove them through these holes and loosen these all up so I can actually get access behind there. Take that old one out, put the new one in, and we should be good to go. Be back in a second. All right, so I went ahead and removed the seat, and I've already taken out the old filter. It does have a filter on it. This bottom here is the filter. Here's the plunger, and here's the old fuel pump that stopped working on me out in the trails, which was pretty inconvenient. So what I ended up doing was removing this, picking this up, this little tab pulls out, you get a screwdriver, flathead, remove these two tabs. This actually slides out. Pull this up, undo this nut. One thing you want to make sure is this arrow is aligned with these two parallel bars, these two parallel lines. I'm not sure about this arrow, probably supposed to align there, but I wanted to make sure it was tight and sealed down, so it did another eighth of a turn. It is spring loaded. You can see the spring here, right here. So when you're pushing it into the tank, it sits at the bottom of the tank. You got to push down. See that? You got to push down on it while you're screwing the nut on. Get that tight. Don't forget about the gasket, obviously. This kit came with a nut, a gasket, and the fuel pump. And that's about it. Yeah, not much to it. It's pretty self-explanatory. It's just a remove and replace type of activity. While you're in there, make sure there's no contaminants in the tank. If there are, siphon them out. I siphoned out the gas anyway, just to make sure I didn't get bad gas and putting that in the new fuel pump. But the tank looked clean. There's no debris in there whatsoever. And there you have it. Thank you.